Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the logo for the passive income, and it is the passive income, as far as I'm concerned, is the way forward. You know, not active income, which is what most people are on, which is an agenda, and most people do not understand, right? And this is about print on demand, a passive system, right? That's what that is. This is right. Where you I'm going to teach you how to create slogans, logos, and sayings, right, for your t-shirts, for your hats, for your hoodies and jackets and mugs, right? So that's what this is about. So without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? We'll create some more slogans here, right? Here we are. And, you know, okay, so what am I going to do here? I did have one here. There's one. So there you go. Made some mistakes there, but we'll get rid of those, and then you can read what this says, can't you? What does this say? Passive income gives you your life back. Absolutely, because when you're working active income, right, you're a slave and you got to be there just to get paid, just to live, to get by. And that's all most people do, you know. And this is another one. Well, this is another one, right? Don't get by, get ahead. Don't get by, get ahead with your passive income system. And yes, if you do the Printful system, it's passive, and you will get ahead. But you don't want to be crying over the losers, you see, and you don't want to be crying over the fact that you're not getting paid immediately, do you? See, because if you do that, see, this has got to do with things being what you got between your ears, right? What you got between your ears, right, is what's keeping you where you are. It's keeping you poor, keeping you broke, right? So you've got to get over that and be willing to do things differently. You got to think differently, and you know that's what you got to do. You know, you don't, you don't want to be, oh, I'm not getting paid. This is no good. Blah, 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 bullshit. You know, who cares? Don't worry about that. Keep your regular job, right, and work this passive system. And see, work a passive system to replace your active system. There's another one, see? Yeah, see? Work your passive system to replace your active income. Yeah, absolutely. Do that through this Printful system that I'm teaching you here by creating logos and slogans and sayings like this, like these. Passive income gives you your life back. It does. You know? When you're on active income, man, you got no life. What do you look forward to? You work 5 days to look forward to the weekend. What kind of living life is that? You see, don't get by, get ahead with your passive income system. Yes, that's right. By creating your Printful system, right, with creating logos and sayings and slogans, right? Oh, for your caps, your hats, for your hats and your caps and your your mugs and your hoodies and your jackets, you know, and your t-shirts, right? And then wearing those things, he's making them for yourself and going out in the world and showing people, and they read it and they go, whoa, ooh, they think about it, and give Printful. You need to get into Printful because it's a passive system, see. And then don't cry over the losers, right? Chuck out the losers and create more. And that's all you have to do. And that's it. Keep doing that, and pretty soon you'll have your winners, and you'll have your passive system running and going. And pretty soon you'll be saying to your boss, well, sorry, boss, but I'm not coming in anymore because I've got my own system going, my own passive system, and I don't need you anymore. Bye for now. Bye. And that's the end of that, right? And you just keep working your passive system, and you look around for more passive systems that you can work. This is the truth, right? This is what you should be doing, not working just on broke a job which is just on broke and just trying to get by and living for the weekend. That's no way to live. I don't wish that on anybody. Just create. All you got to do is create these slogans. That's it. And you saw how easy it is. Oh, I did this right on the fly, right in front of your face. You know, you saw how easy it is. It's not that damn difficult, is it? I know about this stuff. I'm passionate about it, and I'm sick of seeing people getting things done to them that shouldn't be happening. You know, by other people who just want to preserve their lifestyle. That's all they want to do. They're selfish pricks. And it's not necessary. There's more opportunity today. We're living in the richest time that's ever existed, the richest time, and yet people are poor. That's still 95, 96% who end up broke by the time they're 65, living on a government pension. Why? Yeah, because they don't understand. See, they don't understand. They're never taught anything about commerce. No way. You see, and they don't understand that what they have been taught is poverty. They don't understand that. See, work on your passive system to replace your active income. Active income is poverty. That's what it is. Hourly rate and all that rubbish. No, you don't want that. You want to work your job and then replace it with a passive system. That's what you want to do. And Printful is that. They will help you. You know, I'll show you, This is what it's about. Look, watch. See, this is a girl, right? She's got this hoodie on and what is she holding up? Your design here. And you sell that design, right? And customers will buy it, right? Your design. And then don't cry over the losers. Cuck them out and put more up. Because you'll get your stream set up. Your passive streams of income will come from your logos. And then pretty soon you'll be saying to your boss, well, I don't need you anymore. This is what will happen. I can predict it, but only if you stick with it. You've got to stick with it and don't cry over it. You just chuck out the losers and carry on and keep doing it. Persist. That's what you've got to do, right? I'll show you something else here as well. See, Printful gives you a free account because this is a free account, my free account. And see, they tell you what the best sellers are: t-shirts, hats, mugs, and a mat, right here. There's a mat here. I just go up a bit. Hang on a minute. Let's drag that up. There you go. There's the mat, right? And then they teach you this. Your next steps. They tell you what to do. They tell you what to do. They give you instructions. Because you're a beginner. You don't know what to do because you've never been taught anything about commerce. You don't know what to do. Well, these people here will teach you that, what to do and how to do it, right? and you got all this, you got this challenges here, right? These guys go overboard to teach you what to do, you know, to how to start a print on demand business for beginners. And you're just a beginner, so this is how this is, right? And they will, you know, you've got your fashion guides, so you know what's selling, but you know, and you know, and then your Printful Academy, where you get videos and articles, you know, telling you what to do with regards to traffic and everything else. You know, everything's here. Product templates is everything. You know, it's all here. They tell you how to do it. They teach you everything. They want, if you succeed, they succeed, and that's the way business should be done. You know, this is the way it should be done. These guys do an excellent job of what they do. They really do. You know, you know, and you are going to create, right, your own logos, your own sayings, your own slogans, right, and which are unique and make you different in the marketplace, and that's what it's about, right? Because of that, you are different, and that's it. That's all. That's what you need to do, and that's what you need to be different. See, that means your products are different, you know, and that's all it is. You differentiate yourself. As soon as you do that, no competition. That's how that works. All right. So we go back to our logos. So you see again, you know, like I said, see, passive income gives you your life back, and it does. But you've got to fix what's between your ears. Don't get by, get ahead with your passive income system. Yeah, that you develop that. That's what's going to happen to you. But you've got to stick with it. Don't quit. Work your passive system to replace your active income. Yeah, do it part-time. While doing your job, you're just on broke, because that's what you are. You're just on broke, see? Set up by the corporation that calls itself government. So you fail and they succeed, and you don't, you know. And the people behind that retain the lifestyle that they're accustomed to. And trust me, these guys are rich like you wouldn't believe, right? See, and they're rich off you because you pay them their profits. You give them profits, you know, and they don't call them profits though; they call them taxes. See, that's how they do that. It sucks, right? It really sucks. Now, if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, smash the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. But there won't be any more on passive income now, because this is the last one, okay? And what do I do there? I mucked up something, but anyway, it's too late now. It's over. And I will see you again in another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.